Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
2,000 years later.
Hi, it's Bianca. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, please subscribe. So I have my October 2018 page of my Hello Kitty calendar. Happy October 1st. I can't believe it flew by really fast. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Patrick Star inspired Halloween costume. You also get to make his signature green pants, but I made it into a skirt, which is really easy to do. I'm very happy how the way this turned out, and I'm also very happy that I'm going to be doing DIYs on my channel again. And my last video was the first video of my Be Awesome Scares 2018. It was my tricky costume. I'll have the link down below if you're interested in watching it. I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Really mean a lot to me. Give this video so many likes, and without further ado, let's get started. I really like this cone hat, by the way. It's so cute. DIY Patrick Star costume, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Really mean a lot to me. And by the way, see ya!